Good morning to all. Gawa tayong umaga ng toasted sandwich bread with banana. Ayan. Ang toppings natin is mayonnaise. Bago ko kiprito yung sandwich, nilagyan ko ng isang itlog at kunting fresh milk para lumambot siya. Binabatil ko yung egg with fresh milk. Tapos little of sugar. Tapos pinirito ko po para lumambot yung ang ating sandwich. Ayan. Toppings natin is mayo sandwich. Ayan, this is for Lola. And this is for me. Ayan, masarap ang ating umagahan ngayong araw. Sa mga hindi nakapollow, please follow me and I will follow you back, guys. Ayan, guys. Gawin nyo to, guys. Easy lang po gawin. Ayan, napakain na po si Lola. At this is for me. It's yum, 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 yum. Kay Lola naman, guys, is sandwich with maksang. Akin naman ay sandwich with tea. Thank you sa mga nag-watch. Please follow me and I will follow you back. Thank you all for watching. Bye, bye, bye. Yum, 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 yum. Good, guys. It's very nice. Bye, bye, all.